Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I did my nails. I wanted to show you guys. I did a whole video for you guys on how to do these nails start to finish. As you can see, I am jamming right now. If you are not part of the Makeup Love Life 85 family, please hit that subscribe button to join the party. I'll put the link for that other nail video down below as well. And let's get started. So my brows, I went ahead and did it with the e.l.f. Coffee Cream Eyeliner, and I primed my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Alright, so this is the eye look that we are doing today. It is a very simple look, and I went ahead and used the Riviera palette by Anastasia. This is my first time using this palette, guys, and I had this since it came out. So that was a while back. So this is what the palette looks like. And the first brush I'm going to use is this Morphe 504 brush. So I'm going to dip that into the Coastline color, and then I'm going to put it into my crease and bring it up towards my brow. As you can see, my lips are really pouty in this video. I did not get lip injections, guys, but I am using this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. Let me tell you, this sets your lips on fire, but they look amazing. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip into Sails, and I'm going to start applying that to the 2/3 of my lid. Next, taking another Morphe brush, this is the 514 brush. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Monte Carlo, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner and then start to blend it out in my outer V and start to mesh it with the Sails color. Alright, so taking my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my bottom lid. I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. This actually comes in a set. I think it was like 4 or 5 brushes. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that painterly on my bottom lid and blend it out. Then I'm going to use this brush I picked up from Walgreens. This also came in a set. It was a little Disney collection they did with Aladdin. I'm going to take the pointy side of this brush and dip into Coastline once again and put that all on the underside of my lid. Now I'm just going to dip into Monte Carlo, and I'm going to put that on the outer third of my bottom lid, blending it into the top, and then switching up my brush to blend it out even further and to really pack on the color in that section. Now I'm switching up the brush again just to blend it out even further, and these 2 brushes that I just used were the ones that I used before. So I'm not using any brushes that I haven't listed already. Now taking the Morphe 432 brush, this is a straight eyeliner brush. I'm going to dip into that palm color, which is the brown shade in the palette, and I'm going to put it on the last third of my bottom lid, and then I'm going to create a smoky eyeliner. Alright, so I'm going to put a nude in my waterline. It's going to be the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that, and next I'm going to apply my lashes. These are the Lash DNA Salon Perfect lashes. This is for almond or hooded eyes. If you haven't tried these, go ahead and give them a shot. It's $6.81. Once they dried, I went ahead and put on my mascara, which is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Moving on to the skin, I'm going to use my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to my face and really rub it in. So far, I do like this. I don't use it all the time, but it's pretty good. Next, I'm using my Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum, and this is the hydrating one. I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin, and make sure it's really blended out as well. For foundation today, I'm going to use my Born to Glow foundation from NYX and NYX in the shade Buff. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Technique sponge, and it's a little shorter because I cut off a part of it because it started to crack. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques pointed foundation brush to go around my eyebrows first, and then apply small dabs all along my face and blend it out with my sponge. Alright, so for the concealer I'm going to use is the Naked Skin in the shade Light Neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and put that under my eye. Basically all the points that I like to highlight. I don't really have any areas that I need to conceal per se, so I just basically use this as, you know, highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that and then just blend it out with the other side of my sponge. To set all of those areas, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder in the shade Vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over that concealer until I look like a ghost. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go ahead with my staple, my Stay Matte Translucent powder. Well, actually, this is transparent. This is by Rimmel. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild big powder brush. And this came in a set like 2 years back. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply all of that powder. Don't forget your neck because you don't want any flashback. So go ahead and get that on your neck too and move on to bringing the dimensions back to your face. So I'm going to go ahead and use this bronzer palette. This is by e.l.f. and it's the Bronze Beauty one. And I'm going to take this color right here and just basically work the perimeter of my face with this brush right here from Sonia Kashuk. This did come in like a 12 or 13 piece set a while back. I'm going to go ahead and use that to apply it all over the perimeter. And don't forget that double chin, because even though I am losing weight, this double chin is here to stay. So I got to conceal it. Alright, to get my nose looking nice and slim, I'm going to go ahead and use this brush right here. This is just a generic brush that I picked up from, I believe, CVS. I'm going to go ahead and apply all that powder, blend it up into my brow, and then I'm going to move on to a little bit of a deeper tone, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbones. This is a Sephora contour brush. I don't think they sell this one anymore, but you guys could check it out if you like. I'm going to go ahead and apply that darker color, and I'm going to hit my nose with that color as well. Alright, so I'm just going to blend out all that contour, and then I'm going to take off that powder as well. This is the same brush I used for the first contour color. There was like nothing on it, but I'm just using it to blend it all out. And then I'm going to move into setting my nose with some more of that Anastasia Vanilla setting powder. And I'm just going to apply it to the middle as well and bake it. I'm also going to bake underneath my contour as well, just to get it nice and popping. For my blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette from Juvia's Place, and this color right here, I'm not going to try to say it because I'm going to fail. I'm going to use this angled blush, blush, and I believe I picked this up from CVS. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and I was really feeling this color. I'm going to hit my nose as well. Now I'm just going to blend out all of that powder. And it's helping to blend the blush and the contour together as well. Now it's highlight time. I'm taking the Nicole Guerrero palette from Anastasia. I'm taking a Glow Getter, using this motor brush, and it's the highlight and glow. I believe the set was like Dreams or something like that. I picked it up from Walmart. Go ahead and hit the tops of your cheekbones, your chin, your forehead, and of course the nose and eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use this Morphe E36 brush to do those. Make sure you rub out that nose highlight with your finger to blend it out even better. Now I'm going to take the Forever Lit color, and I'm going to use this for my inner corners. I'm also going to apply this under my brow bone as well. Alright, before I set my face, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe off all of that Too Faced lip injections, lip gloss, and then I'm going to spray my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is really good. This is actually, I believe this is my first time using it. Do not spray a lot of this. I went a little extra. I shouldn't have put that much, but it does wonders. It looks so pretty. For my lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner from NYX. And these two colors right here, which are Whipped Caviar from NYX and Rimmel Airy Fairy. So I'm going to mix those two together with this Morphe lip brush. Sephora lip brush. And I'm going to apply that to my lips. Alright, so I just mixed the two of those lipstick colors together on the back of my hand, and this is the color it came out with. It is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and apply it with that lip brush from Sephora. I don't know why I keep on messing that up. Sephora. And then the look is complete to go to the living room, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Bye.